Hey, Graham, how's it going? Long time no see, my man. How are you doing?
Good. How's Hawaii?
Ah, amazing, man. Beautiful sun.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Just coming from the studio, grabbing some lunch.
What kind of studio do you got?
It's a video studio. Video, audio.
I'm sick. I've actually got a couple of videos I want to shoot.
Yeah? I have a free afternoon right now if you want to check it out.
I would love to. Let's go. Just around the corner.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so what if replacing poly pipes in an in-floor heating system just isn't possible? What alternatives would you recommend?
Well, we definitely see this, especially in the lower mainland. We have the in-floor heating system embedded in a concrete slab on the second and third stories. So it makes it really financially unfeasible to change that system with another in-floor heating system. Right. And we can't just put in-floor heating underneath the slab because it's not going to transfer the heat properly. So in those situations, we would go with a system, hydronic baseboard heating. We could go with, which I quite like this system because we could utilize the same boiler. We can use the same thermostats throughout the house, and then we just put baseboards. Now, they're kind of ugly. They're not eye appealing. So what we could do in that case is we do a mini split heater, and they're what you see in hotel rooms. They're kind of mounted on a ceiling. You know, they're anything from 2 feet to 5 feet long, and they act as a heating source and an air conditioner. So a lot of customers like to transfer that system because then they can cool their home and heat their home. Alternatively, you could
It's
go
a
with,
fairly affordable option as well.
there's government rebates right now, at least in Canada. And so that is a good option. The problem is you still have to get an electrician, you still have to upgrade your panel, and you have to have compressors outside the house. So it'd be like a couple air conditioner compressors outside your house. A lot of townhome communities don't let those in. Apartment buildings won't let those in. And there is certain bylaws in certain jurisdictions for noise. So that's sometimes not always an option. We've also seen, especially on the island, Vancouver Island, we go with electric baseboard systems. So we get an electrician out there and we just cancel out the entire heating system off of hydronic and we move to an electric baseboard system. All these options come with different pricing, different factors. There's not one solution for every single person. Every house is different and every client is different. So we have to change our options per the needs. But those are the three major ones that we go with if we can't do an in-floor heating system again.
Awesome. Thank you.
No problem.